Ever wondered what Calgary looks like under a thick blanket of snow? In the heart of winter, Calgary whispers a different kind of beauty. Here we go with another snowy Calgary video with stunning Flycam view. Calgary turns into a winter snowy wonderland. You won't believe these stunning views. Welcome to Calgary, where winter transforms the ordinary into a radiant spectacle. Today, we invite you to experience the sparkle of a snowy wonderland that glows under brilliant sunlight, a scene that captivates and inspires. In the heart of Calgary, urban life meets winter magic. The bustling downtown is blanketed in snow, and every corner is illuminated by golden rays that make even the simplest scene feel extraordinary. Every corner of Calgary glows with a unique radiance this winter. The interplay of light on the snow creates an ever-changing tapestry that is as mesmerizing. It is fleeting, reminding us to savor every moment of beauty that nature offers. Step outside the city, and you'll discover nature's own masterpiece. Calgary's parks and trails become enchanted winter retreats, where every tree and pathway is highlighted by the radiant sunlight, inviting you to explore and capture unforgettable moments. What a perfect combination of sparkling sunshine, blue sky and pure white snow. A poem of nature that stirs even the driest souls. Thank you for joining us on this luminous journey through Calgary's snowy wonderland. If you've enjoyed experiencing the sparkle of winter with us, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures. Share your own snowy stories below, and let the magic of Calgary inspire you every day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel to discover more about the traveling and cultural experiences here and there in the world. See you in the next journey. Stay tuned and goodbye for now.